Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the Elago Armor Case for your Galaxy Buds Live and Galaxy Buds Pro. So this case right here, I recently went ahead and decided to buy a case for my Galaxy Buds Live, and the main reason for that was because my previous Galaxy Buds, the original Galaxy Buds, I kept dropping it and it started getting scratched up, and then I also damaged one of my earbuds because of that, because I kept dropping it. And so I decided to get the armor case so I don't have that same issue with my Galaxy Buds Live. Since I love my Galaxy Buds Live, I basically use them every day for a couple hours at least, especially when you're going outside, when you're in the car or whatever. You tend to use earbuds, and I always have my Galaxy Buds on me. So I went ahead and went on Amazon and checked out some cases, and the two that caught my eye were the Elago Armor Case and the Spigen Rugged Armor Case. And I finally decided to get the Elago Armor Case because the design seemed a little better for me. I really liked it more than the design that the Spigen Rugged Armor had, and also the price was cheaper by around 50%. So this right here was $10 USD, while the Galaxy Buds Live were $19 USD. And so I was thinking, why not just get this one right here, since it is only earbuds and you really don't need the best of best cases, and this was probably already a good one because this had tons of good reviews. So I went ahead and got this, and it has finally arrived, and so let's go ahead and check this out. So first up, the box has the design right here, and then it gives you some information: armor case for Galaxy Buds Pro and Live. And then it also has the branding right there, Elago. On the left side, we can see this, I guess, image where it shows you like the Galaxy Buds plus the reusable gel pad. So I'm guessing there's like some stickers on there. And then on the right side, it just gives you like their store name, and then it gives you Facebook and their Instagram handle. Plus on the back, we have a more clear image, a lot clearer, which actually displays it inside the case that you bought. So overall, this looks pretty nice, and the packaging is pretty compact and pretty good. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. So there's a pull tab right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that, and then we can immediately see our case right here. And we also have our carabiner, I believe. Carbiner, I keep forgetting the name for this thing, but the handle thingy to clip onto other stuff. And then we also have the stickers right here, so the gel pads that I was talking about, and it also gives you some instructions right here. But these are for the AirPods Pro, so I guess it works for all of them. I guess that's okay. There's nothing else inside the box, so let's go ahead and put this to the side. So let's go ahead and check out the case real quick. Throw that, the packaging, and overall this case looks pretty good. First impressions, they look pretty nice. It has the Elago logo right there, so minimal branding, which is really nice. And then it also has this really nice feel to it right here. The top part, there's like this little design with dents inside of it, so that's pretty good if you're trying to fidget with your case. And then we also have the bottom portion with the cutouts right here, as you can see. And we also have designed by Blago in California, made in Korea. So this does work with wireless charging. I have seen the video for it. They have this little branding video, and it does work with wireless charging. I will go ahead and test this out later anyways, but as of right now, first impressions, this case looks really nice. So I have my Galaxy Buds right here. I guess you could just plop it onto here, but to be extra safe, I'm gonna go ahead and get the adhesive right here and apply this onto it. So how do we apply this? Okay, so I guess we just remove the clear film and then we plop it on there, and so it helps stick onto it. So there are some little cutouts right here, and I guess that is for that right there. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Take this off. Boom. And how do we apply this is what I'm wondering. So I guess we can pull this or something. I guess this adhesive just like adheres onto here, or not. So anyways, you know what, let's just go ahead and skip this. I don't think we need the adhesive. I don't think it's too important. It'll probably already hold on to it. And so, oh, there it is. So as you can see, the adhesive is on here. So I'm kind of stupid. Now let's go ahead and apply it onto here. So it's on the clear film. You go ahead and apply it onto the case. You just plop it down into that little section, and then you go ahead and pull this off. And no. Okay, try it again. Pull it off. And I guess not. So there are some issues with it. That's one of the bad things I just experienced. I don't think that is supposed to happen, but I guess it just did. I guess I'm unlucky. Let's try out the other one. We might be able to get one in, and it does not seem like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skip the adhesive because it doesn't seem like it's working for me, unless I can get this one right here. Let's try. We did get one piece, as you can see right there. I will go ahead and put this on and try to apply it. Okay, so you press down firmly, and then this is the way that it should be done, and we have our adhesive on right there. So it's not the best, but you're not going to be seeing the inside anyway, so that is okay. So that was a little hard. My adhesive did have some issues, I guess. It wasn't on the blue tape that it was supposed to be on, so that's okay, I guess. Now we take our Galaxy Buds and we align it so the ports are back here, and so we're gonna put it down like this, and it is easy as boom, that. So that's all you have to do, and now it should be on there firmly. So it doesn't seem like it's gonna pop out. Let's go ahead and do a little shake test. Whoops. So my Galaxy Buds Live did open, but it did not come out of the case, which is nice to know. So let's go ahead and put this back. And boom. So now we have this top portion right here. I wasn't able to get the adhesive on, as you saw, but that is okay. I will just put it on without it. So right here it says Elago, so I'm gonna go ahead and align this with the branding on the Samsung logo. So we'll just plop it down like this, and boom. So that seems like a nice snug fit. Let's see, and perfect. So this right here is how you're supposed to put it in. I did fail with the adhesive again, but that is okay. So let's go ahead and open up this ring right here, or this holder. Pull this out, boom. And let's go ahead and put this on right here, like so. Just push it back, plop it in, and boom. So that is it. So pretty easy actually, other than the adhesive part. I kind of messed up on that, but other than that, it's pretty good. This looks really nice actually, and this will hold on to it so you will not have any issues with it, and it will also help with the magnet inside of here. Since it's not the strongest magnet, this will also help with it opening, and it will not open, I guess. So that is good right there. And this also looks really nice. So we have our cutouts right here. This portion is to grab it and open it, and it's really easy to open. You're having no issues with it. It's the same as before without a case. You have your LED indication right there. They have the cutout for that, and then you also have your cutouts right here. So they cut this out perfectly, so you do not have any issues with the hinge opening and closing. So that's about it, I guess. This will wrap up the video, and overall first impressions, as I said, pretty good. I will go ahead and I guess hang this onto my bag or something so I could carry it around with me at all times. But so far, as you said, this is a pretty good case, and I'd give this like a 7 out of 10 with my first impressions. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.